We are in Dublin. This is like chocolate milkshake with like chocolate syrup all around the side, and I was like choco to the guy, and he was like wah, and then he like pointed at it, and I was like yeah. They came up with the final solution which was to exterminate the Jews, and that was decided there in this very room.
It was kind of depressing, but it was also quite cool.
Yeah, it was quite sad, but it was educational. So, you can sort of.
What do you want to talk about?
Oh, Michael, it's just spur of the moment.
Oh right, no, I really enjoyed our first wee trip.
So,
Yeah. Just been.
Could you send me that producer for me? I was in the toilets.
More gang.
more gang for life, baby.
More gang.
Oh yeah, baby. More gas.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So we are currently at the Olympic Stadium.
For the 1936 Berlin Olympics, and the Nazis saw it as a way to like show everybody that the Aryan race was superior. But this kind of backfired when Jesse Owens won the 100 meters with a world record time.
Because that would be dry. And she won on the vlog.
Of course, every day, bro.
Every day, bro.
Can you see it?
It's snowing now.
Is Callum wearing your headband?
No, this is
Like really
Callum.
light. Oh, are you filming like a video or just photos?
Video.
Hi.
So,
Welcome to the vlog. Can I see what it looks like? Not if we have to buy tickets.
I would pay my ticket.
But we don't have any money with us.
Lol. YOLO.
Where are we? Oh, we're here. This is.
The racetrack tonight, you'll be able to get on top, but it'll probably be dark. Down below is where the Hitler rallies, Nazi rallies took place. Just below us. It was. You can see all the seats.
I actually think this is worth the walk. Yeah, it was so
I
much.
actually really
worth the walk.
And I say it'll be right, be right.
Day 2.
Why are we YouTubers?
It's my favorite thing to do.
Something happened to you to throw you off.
At Organ, we could neither live nor work.
It'll take you round and round. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. It's just a ride, it's just a ride. Don't be scared, don't hide your eyes. It may feel
We are at this really nice pizza restaurant, which is so good because we thought we were going to the kebab shop. We kind of got a bit.
He was like, if you need 10 volunteers.
We just had lunch at a really, really nice pizzeria. great.
It was so tasty.
But we had a bit of a mare with the money problems. But we had to split it.
How are you feeling, guys?
Good.
What do you think of the food?
Amazing.
Pretty good. Just had.
Pizza was so
We were in a concentration camp
Yeah.
for political enemies, Mr.
Yeah, we had
Stevens
some
was
pizza
telling us.
and as far as Sarah Lecker.
It's making pain, but I'm gonna get it.
Hi. I'm so proud of you.
I got some shoko. My new favourite word from this trip.
It's only €1.
I'll buy this. These are my purchases of the day, guys. Mango nectar and shoko bones.
So we just went to the escape rooms in Berlin and they were cool, calm, mega.
Great.
Seriously fun. Exciting.
What was the theme?
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters.
Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Back to my room.
Trainers on, please.
I've just got 3 strikes in bowling. I'm gonna finish on top.
I'm really annoyed by
Hopefully,
it.
but I'm not trying to copy you. See, Pebbles a vlog feature. Hey guys! So it is the last day in Berlin. Quite upsetting. I know the lighting is, the sun is really shining bright, so the lighting, we have to suffice for the lighting, but like
Yeah, so nice.
bad qual, good comp. 10. So Ruth, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
Of course she does. Ruth, what have you thought about the Berlin trip?
Berlin has been the best week of my life.
4 days.
4 days of my life. It has been so good.
Yeah.
I love it, you know. I think it's so like wacky.
The kiss is found.
Oh, I know this.
Who painted this? Dimitri Rubel.
riders, excellent listeners. I was super, super impressed and super happy. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, so we're just back from the bike tour. It was so much fun. So good.
You guys have
Just did an amazing bike tour. Yeah, no, the Burnham Wall was the best bit.
The Burnham Wall was great.
That's all I got for you guys. Stay classy.